So see, if we are talking about the life cycle in case of your bryophyta, what do we see? The particular organism is a haploid structure. So they are represented by gametophyte. Okay. Now this gametophyte want to undergo your particular sexual reproduction. Now when you want to undergo sexual reproduction, the first criteria which is there is that you should form gametes. And for the formation of gametes, what do we see here is we have the male reproductive structure here. Okay, हम लोगों को क्या देखने को मिलेगा? We'll have the male reproductive structure. And at the same time, we have the female reproductive structure. So if we are checking male reproductive structure and the female reproductive structure, what do we see here is the male reproductive structure is represented by your particular antheridium. Okay, this is represented by antheridium. Okay, and if we are talking about the female reproductive structure, what do we see is the female reproductive structure is represented by your archegonium. Now both this structure are haploid in nature. ये हम लोग कैसा होता है? Haploid nature का होता है. इसीलिए हम लोग क्या देखेंगे कि both the structure basically undergo mitosis to form the male and the female gamete. So the male gamete is represented by antherozoids. Okay, and the female gamete is represented by the egg cell. Now this male gamete reaches to the particular egg cell with the help of water. So here what we see, the transfer of male gamete is by water. Once it reaches the egg cell, it forms a zygote. Okay, so what it will do? It will form a zygote. Now this zygote basically undergo mitosis. Okay, and it lead to the formation of a structure known as embryo. Because you know they are the first embryophyta. Now if we are talking about this embryo, what do we see basically? This embryo is later converted into the sporophyte by the method known as mitosis. So if you are looking at zygote, it is diploid. Embryo, it will also be diploid. And if it is forming sporophyte by mitosis, it will also be diploid. Now this sporophyte contains spore mother cell, which undergo the process known as meiosis. To form what? To form spores. Now remember here, the particular structure which is undergoing meiosis is spore mother cell, which is forming spores. So we should remember the type of meiosis which is here is sporic meiosis. Now the main question arises. The spores which are formed here, they belong to lower bryophyta or they belong to a higher bryophyta. So if the spore belong to the lower bryophyta, they are directly converted into gametophyte. And when we talk about lower bryophyta, we are mentioning whom? We are mentioning liverworts. Okay. If we are talking about the group which is higher bryophyta, what happens there? So if we are talking about higher bryophyta, we will see the spores will germinate into a structure known as protonema. Now this protonema can do two different things. Either it can be directly converted into gametophyte or it can undergo fragmentation to form secondary protonema, and which can germinate into your gametophyte. And this thing, the entire thing here, this protonema and secondary protonema is happening in case of higher bryophyta. And when we talk about the higher bryophyta, what do we talk about? We talk about the group known as the mosses. So if you look at the entire cycle, what you will see? From here, from the zygote, the diploid phase started till the particular spore mother cell. So this portion represent your diploid life cycle, and the upper half represent your haploid life cycle. So this is about sexual reproduction, how sexual reproduction will be taking place. So we will mention here, this is about sexual reproduction. But if we are talking about asexual reproduction, in case of gametophyte or the particular bryophyta, it can take place by two different methods. So there is a method where we see the formation of gamma cup. Okay, now if we are talking about gamma cup, what is gamma cup? They are asexual buds. Now these are found in case of lower bryophyte, which is liverworts. Okay, ये किसमें मिलेगा? liverworts में देखने को मिलता है. Now this asexual bud directly form what? It lead to the formation of the gametophyte. The another method is called fragmentation. So the next method is known as the fragmentation, where a part of the particular gametophyte will be broken down and it will lead to the formation of your gametophyte. So if we are talking about bryophyta, overall we're gonna see what? We're gonna see two different methods. One is the sexual, one is the asexual. Asexual is with the help of gamma cup and fragmentation. Sexual is with the help of antheridium and archegonium, which are male and female gametophyte, which form antherozoids and egg cells. The antherozoids are transferred with the help of water to form zygote. Zygote form embryo, embryo forms sporophyte, which has spore mother cell. So see, what are the things which can be asked in question? The type of meiosis which we have in case of your particular liverworts. So it is sporic meiosis. Now the spores which are formed, if they belongs to the category of lower bryophyta, it will germinate to give gametophyte. If they belong to the category of higher bryophyta, which is mosses, they form protonema. This protonema can directly germinate into a gametophyte, or it can undergo fragmentation to form secondary protonema, which can germinate into your gametophyte. Is it clear?